Hey bro, what's wrong?
I've been having hiccups all day long. I can't even wipe my own ass.
Try this Hickaway straw out. Put it in water and take a big sip.
Okay. Wait, no way. This thing actually works. Where'd you get it from?
I got it from the TikTok shop. That's crazy, right?
This thing has to be expensive since it works so well.
Actually, I got it for super cheap, and it's even on sale for 25% off if you tap on the link down below.
Okay, cool. Thanks, sis.